This is a rare 30-plus acre certified organic estate in Juniata County, Pennsylvania, featuring a historic 18th century stone home, productive farmland, wooded acreage, and a flowing stream all in one property. As you arrive, the land sits at the base of scenic Shade Mountain, surrounded by rolling countryside, mature woods, and open tillable fields. The setting offers a strong mix of privacy, productivity, and long-term opportunity, making it ideal for farming, homesteading, or investment use. At the center of the property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom historic stone home that once served as the original Nook Post Office. Built in the 18th century, the home carries a deep sense of history, while still offering practical modern updates for comfortable living. Inside, the home features a master suite with a vaulted ceiling and private bathroom, along with additional bedrooms and living space designed for everyday rural living. The structure blends original stone craftsmanship with functional updates that support long-term use. Recent improvements include replacement windows, a new oil boiler system, a new hot water tank, and upgraded well components, including a pump and pressure tank. The home is serviced by private well and septic, supporting independent country living. Outside, the land is one of the strongest features. With 30-plus acres of certified organic ground, the property offers excellent potential for crop farming, livestock, recreation, or long-term investment. The mix of open fields and mature woodland provides both productivity and natural privacy. A stream runs through the property, adding water access, natural beauty, and wildlife habitat throughout the acreage. The setting also offers strong hunting potential, with timber and field edges throughout. A well-maintained bank barn with a concrete floor and electric service adds significant utility, making it ideal for equipment storage, workshop use, or agricultural operations. The property also features excellent frontage along Route 35 South, Rouse Lane, and Briner Lane, providing strong access and future flexibility for development or subdivision. Located just 10 minutes from Mifflin town, and within an easy drive of Harrisburg and State College, this property offers both seclusion and convenience. This is a live auction property being offered on July 18, 2026 at 11 a.m., sold with reserve, where final price will be determined by seller confirmation on auction day.